If you didn't know, Aqara's M2 Hub can connect directly to Home Assistant over Matter, making it super easy to add Aqara devices to help you automate the boring stuff. Back to SlackerLabs. First off, Aqara, while having sponsored other videos in the past, is not sponsoring this video. And those of you with an Aqara M2 Hub may already know this because this video is months behind schedule. But for those of you that haven't been keeping up, an update over the summer has added Matter support to the Aqara M2 Hub. And while I generally dislike the idea of multiple hubs, I have to admit, Matter does make the act of integrating third-party hubs with Home Assistant super easy. First, you'll need to make sure that you have the most recent firmware on your M2 Hub. After that, you'll need to do the Matter piece from your phone. I'm using an iPhone, but this should work on an Android as well. For some parts of this screen recording, I was running Home Assistant 2023.5.4. And like I said, I did this months ago, and I'm just now getting to finishing this video. And as of this recording, I'm currently running 2023.8.3, and everything just works. Anyway, if you haven't done this and you have an Aqara M2 Hub, just jump into the Aqara app and head over to the M2 Hub. Click the three dots in the upper left and head to the Function Setting option. If you have the Matter firmware, then you'll have a Bind to Matter option like this. You can see I've already bound mine, but if you haven't, when you click on it, you'll get a barcode that looks like this. Grab this pairing code, and then we need to finish the rest in the Home Assistant companion app. And again, you'll have to do this from your phone in the companion app. So open the companion app and head to Settings, then Integrations. Here, click Add Integration and choose Add Matter Device. Click More Options, and here it already sees my Aqara Hub, and I can just click it. We'll paste in that code we copied from the Aqara app, and then after a moment or two, you should see that it was connected to Home Assistant. And there we are. The M2 Hub is now in Home Assistant. Most of my Aqara devices are connected to Home Assistant via my Zigbee integration, but I've added a couple of Aqara devices to the hub just to see if there was a benefit to going this route. After all, Aqara devices are sometimes problematic because they don't quite follow the Zigbee standard, and when connecting them to Home Assistant directly, sometimes functionality is missing and reliability can be iffy. So far, I've found that once the M2 Hub is connected over Matter, as soon as you add the device to the M2 Hub, it's in Home Assistant. It doesn't get any easier than that. I did notice for some devices, like the P1 motion sensor, you were missing some functionality that you had in the Zigbee integrations. But in terms of speed, it's instant. Or at least there's no difference between my P1 sensors over the Zigbee integration or over the Matter via M2 Hub integration, which, if you're into Aqara devices and Home Assistant, makes using the M2 Hub as your gateway for Aqara devices to Home Assistant an interesting option, especially since the hub could be placed in a central location in your home and connected to the network via Ethernet. And with Matter, the connection to Home Assistant is over the local network. You would still be reliant on the Aqara app to change some of the settings of the devices, since it appears some of those are missing in Home Assistant over this Matter integration. But it's nice to have options. And I think the M2 Hub provides a way to make the Aqara devices more reliable if you're having an issue getting them to work with your Zigbee integration. Matter still has a long way to go to live up to the hype, but seeing how easy it was to integrate this hub into Home Assistant, I can see how it could make things better. Because if your devices can't connect to Home Assistant, you'll have a hard time automating the boring stuff.